Have you ever wondered why the sky sometimes wears a colorful belt across it, forming a bright rainbow? It's a magical sight that often follows rain, bringing a splash of joy and sparkle. But how does this dreamy art come to be? Let's dive in and find out. After a rain shower, when the sun peeks through the clouds, it begins to work its magic on the leftover raindrops. But why exactly do these raindrops create a rainbow instead of just hanging around? It all begins with the sunlight. You see, sunlight looks white to us, but it's actually made up of lots of different colors, to put it simply, like those in a rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. When sunlight hits a raindrop, something special happens. The raindrop acts like a tiny prism, a piece of glass that bends light. As the light enters the raindrop, it slows down and bends, a process called refraction. This bending makes the light twist, breaking it up into separate colors. Imagine you're running and suddenly have to squeeze through a tight space. You might twist and turn a little, just like the sunlight. The colors bend inside the raindrop because they all move at different speeds. Each color bends at its own special angle. Once the light is inside the raindrop, it reflects off the back of the drop and comes out again, bending one more time. This second bend is also a refraction. It flings the colors out, making them stream across the sky in a big, bright arch. And voila! A rainbow appears. Rainbows can only form when it's sunny and rainy at the same time. The sun needs to be behind you, and the rain has to be in front of you, creating the perfect conditions for the magic to happen. Some people wonder, why does a rainbow form the way it does, and why are the colors always in the same order? Well, the order is due to the angles of refraction. Red bends the least, while violet bends the most. It's like the colors are running a race, each one taking its own path, stretching into a marvelous splash of hues. Next time you see a rainbow, you'll know that it's the result of a team effort between the sun and the raindrops, playing tricks with light and color. So whether you're chasing leprechauns or dreaming beneath its glow, remember that a rainbow is a natural wonder made from simple science, bringing splashes of joy and magic across the skies. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.